Ever wondered why Myanmar, a Southeast Asian nation, has the tradition of soaking each other in water for a whole 4 days? This, my friends, is the fascinating story of Thingyan, Myanmar's Water Festival. The festival, also known as the Burmese New Year Festival, typically takes place in mid-April, marking the end of the dry season and welcoming the rainy season. It is a time of joy and merriment where the entire nation comes together in a grand celebration. The festival kicks off with a ceremony called A-Tet, or Welcoming the King. This is not a reference to an earthly king, but the king of the celestial beings, Thagyamin. On this day, the locals believe that Thagyamin descends from the heavens to witness the festivities. The second day of the festival, A-Tet, is when the water throwing really begins. All across Myanmar, people take to the streets with buckets, water guns, and even fire hoses, drenching each other in a massive countrywide water fight. The water is not just for fun, though. It symbolizes the washing away of sins and bad luck from the previous year. On the third day, A-Tet, the water throwing continues, reaching its peak. This day is also known as the day the king ascends, marking Thagyamin's return to the heavens. The fourth and final day of the festival, A-Tet, sees the end of the water throwing. It is a day of cleaning and renewal where people wash their hair with tabake, a traditional shampoo made from the bark of the thanaka tree and flower extracts. To wrap up, Thingyan, the Myanmar Water Festival, is a 4-day celebration marking the transition from the dry to the rainy season. It starts with A-Tet, the welcoming of the celestial king, Thagyamin. This is followed by 2 days of water throwing, believed to cleanse away the sins and misfortunes of the past year. The festival then concludes with A-Tet, a day of cleansing and renewal. So the next time you find yourself in Myanmar around mid-April, don't be surprised if you get drenched in water. It's all part of the fun and symbolism of Thingyan, a festival that beautifully represents the spirit of Myanmar. We wish all our Myanmar friends Happy Water Festival, Maha Thingyan.